I've done this take like feels like 200 times. Good morning. Good morning. Oh my god. I hear a dripping tap. And all I really want to say was good morning. How are you? Welcome to my pottery studio. I want to show you what I'm painting. And it's not hard, but it is hard. Good morning, my pottery friends. So today I am doing some glazing of some pieces I sent for a bisque fire, and they're back with me in my hands, not broken. That is a good thing. This is going to be a vase. I've already started painting it. And the next step, what I want to do is paint it white, all the flowers are white. These are supposed to be like chamomile flowers, and I want to put some flowers from the garden in here in the summer. The other thing that I want to accomplish today before the kids get home is painting these guys. They're little heart charms, and I think they're gonna look really cute with some like plaid on them. Fingers crossed that it works out. In the meantime, I hope you join me for some painting and a really chill video. I'm gonna switch the camera up and we can get started on painting. So the first thing I'm going to paint today is this vase. This vase has chamomile flowers on it and little ladybugs everywhere, or soon to be ladybugs. I'm just using some Mako Stroke and Coat, and you can kind of see the colors off to the side there. And I'm doing 2 coats of each color on the vase.
Brush in my head, spinning dreams so fine, colors bind deep in the kiln of time. Each stroke opens back, telling tales untold. Petals bloom on clay, unfolding hearts of gold. Lost in my world, where the quiet speaks loud, creating fragile beauty, painting dreams on clouds. Flowers dance on battles so down, display in every hue and line that finds its way. Between the cracks, in silence that speaks, an artist's soul where the world meets, and colors of the rain and sun's embrace, the dance of flowers, love finds its way.
there you have it. I've got 2 coats of every color on this vase, and I think it's looking pretty cute, and hopefully it will fire nicely. And time for the next project. I'm going to be using a plain and simple white glaze on the outside. I'm using Mako Stroke and Coat, and the name is Cottontail. So I'm just painting that all on the exterior of the vase. And of course, I will be doing 2 coats. For the interior of this vase, I will be doing a purple color. It's by Mako, and it's a Jungle Gems series, and the color is Purple Rain. So I'm going to be adding 2 coats of the Purple Rain on the interior, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like once it comes out of the kiln. The next project that I'm working on is this rose jug. Now, I don't really have the combination for the colors of the roses because basically I mixed red and white, both Mako Stroke and Coat colors. The red is Candy Apple Red, and the white is Cottontail White, and as you can see off to the side, I've mixed them in the palette together to get like a light pink color. I have no idea what it's going to fire to when it comes out of the kiln, but I'm hoping that it'll look really like a soft pink, but we will see. For the leaves, I'm using Slime Time, again by Mako Stroke and Coat, and they're going to be turning out a lot darker than you see here. I wish they fired more to this color, but it is going to be a lot darker when it comes out. So I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about the leaves, but hopefully the overall look will look really nice when it's done. For the outside of the jug, I am using Mako Stroke and Coat. Everything I'm using is Mako Stroke and Coat, so I'm going to stop saying that. But this is Cottontail, and I'm just giving the outside 2 good coats of the white. Next, I'm moving on to glazing some heart charms. Now, I've got a couple of them, about 8 charms, I believe, and I'm just going to show you 2 of them because these are kind of my favorite ones right now. This one I am creating what I'm hoping to be is a plaid. You know, it's always really exciting to see how they turn out after they come out of the kiln, so fingers crossed. The next charm I'm doing here is just going to be blue and white with a floral design, and I'm just kind of going wild here and just drawing whatever comes out of me and putting it on the heart. So I think it looks pretty. It's, you know, not planned out or anything, but I'm just kind of going with it here. I'm saving the best project for last here. This has been my favorite mug so far. I'm really loving the flower on it. I've given everything a 2 coats of Cottontail, like all over the front surface and on the inside. And the flower that I'm working on is going to hopefully be a light pink. Again, I've mixed 2 colors here to get the light pink. It's Cottontail and Red Candy Apple. And the center of the flower is going to be painted black. This mug is kind of giving me a pink poppy vibe, and I'm really hoping, of course, as I always am when it comes out of the kiln, that it's going to look really, really great. And I think so far it's one of my favorite mugs, and I'm hoping it will remain that way. I'm so excited to see what these pieces look like when they're fired. I hope you'll stick around for the next video where I will be able to show you the updates of everything I painted today. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.